If you're seeing a Tinkercad error 500, don't panic. In most cases, this is not a problem with your computer. A 500 error usually means there's a general internal server error on Autodesk's side, which means the issue may be temporary and completely out of your control. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to troubleshoot it, step by step, so you can get back to your design as quickly as possible. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, check the Autodesk server status. Open your browser and go to health.autodesk.com. This is Autodesk's official health dashboard, and it lets you see whether Tinkercad is currently dealing with an outage or service interruption. If you notice any active incidents, that confirms the issue is likely on their end. In that case, the best thing to do is wait 10 to 15 minutes and then refresh the page. Many 500 errors are temporary glitches that clear up on their own once the server recovers. If the health dashboard looks fine, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes a corrupted browser session can trigger an invalid request that confuses the server and causes Tinkercad to fail loading properly. In Chrome, Edge, or another browser, open your settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and clear cached images and files, along with cookies for the last 24 hours. You do not always need to delete everything, and limiting it to the last day can help preserve your other saved sessions. After clearing the data, fully close your browser and reopen it. This gives you a fresh connection and can solve strange loading issues that were being caused by old session data. If you still see the error, try opening Tinkercad in an incognito window or private browsing mode. This helps bypass browser extensions and gives you a cleaner session without saved cookies interfering in the background. If you are using AdBlock, privacy tools, script blockers, or other extensions, temporarily disable them and refresh Tinkercad again. Sometimes a browser extension can interfere with background scripts, and that conflict can break communication between your dashboard and the database. If none of that works, the issue may be tied to a specific design. In that case, go to your Tinkercad dashboard and look for the project that keeps triggering the 500 error. Click the gear icon and choose Duplicate. This creates a fresh copy of the design, which can often bypass corrupted data points or a broken project file that is causing the original to fail when it loads. After duplicating it, open the new copy and see if it loads correctly. If it does, you've likely found the problem, and you can continue working from the duplicated version instead of the original. So to quickly recap, first check the Autodesk status page, then clear your browser cache and cookies. Try Incognito Mode, disable conflicting extensions, and finally, duplicate the design if one file keeps failing. These steps solve most Tinkercad Error 500 problems without needing advanced fixes. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.